Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best UTV accessories for hunting that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to haul game, store your gear, or set up the perfect hunting utility vehicle, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the UTV Hunting Tool Rack Holder by Auto Power Plus. This versatile accessory is perfect for hunters looking to securely mount their tools, guns, or shovels while out in the field. Designed to fit roll bars from 1 inch to 2 inches, this rack is compatible with most UTV models, including Polaris, Can-Am, and Honda. The high-quality powder-coated aluminum construction ensures durability, while the silicone straps and internal sponge spacers protect your gear from scratches and vibrations. Installing this rack is a breeze, thanks to its straightforward screw tightening system. No extra tools are required, making it ideal for quick setups during hunting trips. What sets this tool rack apart is its versatility. It's not limited to just firearms. You can use it to carry bows, agricultural tools, or even snow shovels. While it's a highly functional accessory, it's worth noting that this product has limited user reviews, so its long-term reliability is still under evaluation. If you're a hunter who frequently switches between tools or wants an affordable way to organize your gear, this rack is a great option. However, its relatively niche use case and higher price point compared to similar products might make it less appealing to budget-conscious buyers. At number 4, we have the My Days ATV Saddlebag, a lightweight and practical storage solution for your ATV or UTV. Made from durable 600D Oxford cloth, this bag is water-resistant and built to withstand rugged hunting conditions. Its camouflage design not only blends in with the wilderness, but also adds a stylish touch to your vehicle. The saddlebag features multiple compartments, including a clear, touch-compatible phone pocket, ensuring that your essentials like tools, phones, and drinks are always within reach. The bag is incredibly easy to install. Just loosen the air cap, slide it into place, and tighten it again. No additional mounting hardware is required. While the bag is compact and portable, its 1.5-liter storage capacity might not be sufficient for hunters who need to carry larger gear. However, for quick trips or those who want to keep small items organized, it's a convenient choice. The My Days Saddlebag is perfect for hunters who prefer a minimalist setup. It's affordable, durable, and functional. On the downside, it doesn't offer the heavy-duty storage capacity of larger UTV accessories, but its lightweight design makes it a great addition for casual or short hunting expeditions. Coming in at number 3 is the Zachus All-Purpose Utility Rope Canister. This product may not be a traditional hunting accessory, but its versatility makes it a must-have for hunters. The canister contains 120 feet of 1,100-pound tensile-strength nylon rope, perfect for everything from hauling game to securing gear. The rope is flat-braided and easy to work with, ensuring strong and reliable knots every time. What makes this product stand out is its innovative rope dispenser. The canister allows you to pull and cut the rope to your desired length without needing additional tools. It's compact and weather-resistant, making it easy to store in your UTV, backpack, or even a cup holder. Plus, the canister is refillable, adding to its long-term value. While the Zachus utility rope is an excellent addition to your toolkit, it's not a specialized hunting product. It's best suited for hunters who often find themselves needing heavy-duty rope for various tasks. If utility and convenience are your priorities, this rope canister is a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the Guide Gear 750-pound deer cart with tow bar and wheels. This heavy-duty cart is designed to make hauling large game and equipment a breeze. With a massive 750-pound weight capacity, it's perfect for hunters who need to transport deer, tree stands, or other bulky items across challenging terrain. The cart's 20-inch solid rubber wheels are puncture-proof and roll smoothly over obstacles like roots and streams. The steel frame is powder-coated for added durability, ensuring it can withstand years of rugged use. One of its standout features is the removable tow bar, which allows you to attach the cart to an ATV for even greater hauling efficiency. When not in use, the cart folds flat for easy storage in your truck or garage. While the Guide Gear Deer Cart excels in performance, its 51-pound weight might make it cumbersome for solo hunters to lift and transport. However, if you are looking for a reliable and versatile solution for hauling game, this cart is a fantastic investment for serious hunters. Finally, at number 1, we have the HME Truck Hitch Game Hoist Complete Kit. This all-in-one solution is perfect for hunters who need a reliable and ergonomic way to skin, clean, and transport game. With a 400-pound weight capacity, this hoist can handle deer, hogs, and even elk with ease. The 360-degree swivel shaft allows for smooth rotation, making it easier to work on your game from any angle. The hoist is designed to mount directly to your truck's 2-inch receiver hitch, and it features an adjustable height range of 74 to 102 inches, ensuring a comfortable working position. The kit includes a manual winch, a steel gambrel, and a swivel prevention hook, giving you everything you need right out of the box. Its powder-coated aluminum construction ensures durability in harsh outdoor conditions. The HME Game Hoist is a premium choice for hunters who want convenience and efficiency. While it's slightly bulkier compared to other accessories, its performance and build quality make it worth every penny. If you're serious about hunting, this hoist is an essential addition to your gear. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy hunting!